I'm Phil Underwood at L&F Distributors. I'm the fleet manager here. At L&F, we are an Anheuser-Busch beer distributor. We transport and truck beer. We have 500 plus drivers on Cardata at any given day.
I'm the sales manager here at L&F Distributors. I'm the off-premise sales manager. My day starts at 6 a.m. I come in and I check to see where my salesmen were the day before.
Our biggest challenge before Cardata internally was overall our fleet. There was many maintenances that we had to keep up, many registrations, vehicles that we had to buy, sell.
I would dig through the data, pull up my reports, get them submitted, and I was in charge of looking over every unit. We have like over 5 different locations and hundreds of different routes, so there's no way I could know all of that. Some of my biggest challenges were an employee was having trouble with the app. We could not get customer service on the line. If anything needed to change, I had to jump through hoops in order to get it done. We did not fit their little Lego blocks, so we were stuck in the old ways unless we wanted to change.
We found Cardata by a quick search on ChatGPT. When we chose Cardata, it's because we reached out to several different references and they came highly recommended. We chose Cardata because of the app was very easy to use and we tested it amongst our employees and they preferred it over what we were previously using.
If I need to know during the day where they're at, I can always go look for them online and see where they're actually at in case I need to get a hold of them. It's easier to find my guys when I need to find them.
Since we are a family-owned company, it has helped us with life-work balance for our employees.
After Cardata, we were able to give people the responsibility who actually knew what those routes and those drivings were supposed to look like. So there is less weight on me.
Since we started Cardata, people like the privacy of not having a camera. They're more comfortable in their own car. They like the privacy and convenience, and they generally just like the program.
The most impactful changes will be the reports. There was many reports on our previous provider that were not very accurate. The GPS was not capturing what we needed, and now we can go ahead and determine and send those reports to all of the regionals of all the locations, and they're able to accurately say where our employees were, how we are helping them, and how to continue on and improving the program. We do let our employees know that it is tax-free. They are happy with the program. Our drivers love Cardata. They get to start their day, clock in, go to their accounts, take care of what they have to do. They are 80% out in the market than here in the warehouse. After they're done, they clock out and get to go home to their families.
The thing I'm most proud of since we moved to the Favor program is the money we're saving. Less wrecks and accidents we have to deal with.
What gives me the confidence? The team that surrounds me, and I include Cardata as part of that team.